Hi, my name is Kedar and I'm 6 years old. I made a little invention called StoriBot, and I made this for my blind friends. So I teach Scratch in the National Maker Fair. I did, and one day we had a visitor whose name was Patrick, and he said, well, you're doing programming for people who can see, but what if you made it for people who cannot see? That would be a great thing to do. And so I decided, of course, I can do that. And so when I got back home, I wanted to make a board game for our blind friends. And so first, I closed my eyes and I touched a regular board game. And then I couldn't feel anything. I didn't know I was out of scare or not. I decided to take this cushion and feel it. I could feel the thread around it without opening my eyes. And so then I realized, oh, so I can feel this, but why? And I figured out that I had these stitches to feel. You see all these stitches? They designed this, and that's on top of it so people can feel it. And I decided to make my board game with stitches. But we had another problem. The characters were falling off. They wouldn't stick. And so I thought glue would work, but there was one problem with glue. Glue won't come off when you want it to. So we had to think about something that would stick and come off when you want, and also stick back whenever you want. So I use this to do math all the time. And I can take them off when I want, and then stick them back on when I want. Magnets, right? So we have 3 metals. A metal is something that's sometimes heavy, but also shiny. And so we have iron, stainless steel, and copper. So let's see which one sticks. It sticks to iron, but there's one problem if I put it there. Try to lift it with one hand. It's so heavy when you try to do this, and that's how most people will lift a board. So we can't use iron. So we tried it out. We tried it out on copper, but it doesn't stick. So copper wouldn't work. Then we tried it out on stainless steel. Perfect. It would stick, and I can also lift it with one hand up in the air. And so we found out that stainless steel was best. So we used stainless steel, and we went to the store Home Depot, and we got a stainless steel board. This board is made of stainless steel. And my grandpa helped me cut the stainless steel and make this beautiful board. Folds in half and unfolds. I want to show you what we stuck on the board. It's called foam sticker. So it's like cloth, and you can put it on the board. Last year we made masks. I made masks with this, ninja masks. I'm going to show you how to cut it into thin strips. First thing I do is I fold it in half this way. Then put it all tight, like that. Then I take my scissors and I cut it in the middle. See? So now I cut it in half. Now I can take one of the parts and fold it in half again. Then take it out. Now I take the scissor and I cut it in the middle again. Like that. So let's fold it in half. So fold it in half. Press hard, really hard. Now take it off. And now cut it in the middle again. This is tricky. So do that and then do that. You have that. Now I can't fold it, but I'll give it to my mom because when I cut it now it's really dangerous because I can cut my finger. We have red. This is red and it's for y-axis. So this is how you stick the red on the board. Let me show you. You take this and then you peel this white part off. Then stick it right underneath that. And make sure that it's not crooked. Keep sticking more of this. Then put that other one next to it. So now put this one next to it. Don't make it like, you should know by now. Don't make it crooked. So like that. Then we're going to move this up a little, actually, because it's not matching. Like that.
So now let's do more. So we peel this part off again. And put it here. Like that. And another one. We put it here. Like that. Then take this piece. Do like that. And now, we need to stick one more in. Okay. So now let's stick one more red. And put it there. Like that. Then take the black. Stick this right properly. Now take the black.
We're gonna put it on top of the red. Or put it there. So don't make it crooked. So like that. Now we're just going to cut these parts and yeah, so see if it squares. Take this off. Let's do it another time. take it off. So then it looks like that. We have a square. Now we put another one of this.
And we are going to put it there, but only that part. Now, we are going to take our scissor, and no, you cannot stick. So, we're going to put it right here. And then, we're going to cut it here. It's a little crooked, so let's restick that. That's not crooked. So then,
That's how we make the board. Now let's do it again. So we went to the dollar store and got some characters. A dinosaur. So this is how we stick it. Let me show you. So we take this and then it's a piece of foam and we put it in there and stuff it up. Then to make it stick, we stick a piece of magnet so it sticks to the board. So let's put that there. Now it sticks to the board. Stainless steel, stainless steel, stainless steel. It sticks to the board, guys. So we just got a regular hard bed to make Papa Bear's head heavy, and we took these soft little things, fluffy, to make Mama Bear's really soft, and we took these bubbles to make Baby Bear's like regular. So these are the cups. This one is hot, and this one is cold, and this one is perfect. So this one's for Dada Bear, this one's for Mama Bear, and this one's for Baby Bear. These are the spoons. We have them in each one. We are going to put Braille stickers on them. This is Codeylocks. Now let me show you how to play the game. So this is a code piece from Codeylocks, remember, but when we feel it, our blind friends don't know what it is. So we didn't need this anymore. So we went to the maker space and then we took Mr. Jeff's help. I learned laser printing and 3D printing. And then I learned how to code it. So these are the pieces Mr. Jeff printed us. So we made a little cheat sheet for our blind friends to learn code quickly, the basics, and we written in Braille. So we have new blocks. This is steps. It gives a number of steps. This is if then. It asks a question and the character will perform an act based on the question. This is an end. It ends a if then else, or nested loop. This is a green flag, starts the program. Stop sign stops the program. This is a touching to say if it touches an object or not. And this is a say to say something. We're going to paint this later, but for now they're clear. So this is a puppet show character that I was using when I was 3 years old in a puppet show. I loved it, and yeah, I love these, and they have the same things underneath. They can stick on sock. They have Velcro underneath. We did the same thing with the code blocks. It has Velcro, and it helps stick on the board. It sticks much more stronger than the other ones. Are you ready, guys? Let me show you how to play the game. So this is Codeylocks. These are the dinosaurs. And this is Dada bed, Mama bed, Baby bed. These are the porridges. Dada porridge, Mama porridge, and Baby porridge. So she's going to play tag with the dinosaurs. Let's use code to help her tag out one of the dinosaurs. So I want to tag this dinosaur. You can tag this one also, but it's your choice. So I want to tag that one. I put a little trail. I stick the hearts. Whoa, you need to go there. So now I've got to the dinosaur. I need to say on here. Now we're going to say move right. Four. Steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have an if-then condition. If touching, then put this. If touching a thing, which is a dinosaur, the heart is for the thing. So if touching thing, then we are going to say you are it. We're going to Braille code that with our friends. Now let's put an end. So now we are going to make trail. I want to go to Dada's bed. So we are going to move right 3 steps. Three steps. So now 3 steps. If touching thing is touching Dada's bed, then say too hard. We're going to write this in Braille for our blind friends. Then get an end and put it here. That's a sample for the code. Stop sign. That is an example for the code. So move right 4 steps. Then, if touching the dinosaur, say you are it. Then that's the end. Then move right 3 steps. If touching Papa's bed, say too hard and stop sign. Here's something really funny. I saved the best for last, so you know what happened? I forgot to put a green flag. It's for rotten egg, for redo. So if you turn him, then he'll walk. You're saying nana nana boo boo. You wrote the wrong code. And so the rotten egg, he stinks. Reading your code stinks. And now I forgot to put a flag, so let's put the flag. Perfect. I fixed the bug. You're down, rotten egg. So then the important thing is testing. So we went to test it with our blind friends. They said they liked it, but they wanted movie characters. The boys wanted movie characters. Working on that, and then we tested it with the girls. We had a Codeylocks game, which we're playing right now, And then the girls said they liked it. They wanted the Codeylocks. We learned how to improve our game from them. So the next idea for me is to take my StoriBot to our friends who cannot hear and who cannot speak. And maybe I'll be learning some sign language soon. I hope you enjoyed my project. And put your favorite story in my StoriBot and make cool codes with it. Remember, programming is fun. It is for everyone. Thank you.